Hello again, friends. It's me, Miss Christina, and I'm here to read you a really silly story about dogs. This story is called Dogs Don't Brush Their Teeth. Do you know a dog? Do dogs ever do this? That's so silly. So let's see. There are lots of pictures with real dogs and some pretend things added to the picture about things that dogs do and things that dogs don't. Here we go. Dogs Don't Brush Their Teeth by Diane DeGroat and Shelley Rotner. Look at those silly things the dogs are doing. Dogs do ride in a car and stick their face out the window. Dogs don't drive the car with their little kid in the back seat wearing a seatbelt saying, "Are we there yet?" Dogs don't do that. Let's see what else. Dogs do fetch a stick with their mouth. Dogs don't play baseball with a bat and helmets and gloves. What? Dogs do catch a tennis ball. Dogs don't play tennis with a racket. What? Dogs do go swimming in the water. Dogs don't paddle a canoe in the water. Dogs do eat out of a bowl on the ground. Dogs don't eat at the table with a fork and knife and napkin. Dogs do eat breath bones for healthy teeth. Dogs don't brush their teeth with toothpaste and floss and braces. Dogs do go for walks in the grass. Dogs don't go for walks on a treadmill with music and earbuds and water bottles. Dogs do sniff each other to say hello. Dogs don't shake hands to say hello. "Hi, I'm Max," he says. Do dogs do that? No. Dogs do carry their puppies in their mouths sometimes. Dogs don't push their puppies in a stroller for a nice walk. Dogs do like to tug on toys and ropes. Tug of war. Dogs don't play jump rope with a rope. Huh. Dogs do howl at the moon. Oh! Dogs don't play in a rock band with musical instruments. Dogs do dig in the garden. Dogs don't use a shovel to do some gardening with a gardening hat on. Dogs don't do that. Dogs do take a bath outside with a hose. Dogs don't have a bubble bath with toys and a shower cap. Dogs do fetch the paper. Dogs don't sit on the sofa and read the paper with a cup of dog's coffee. World's best dog, it says. Dogs do watch birds. Dogs don't watch cartoons. We're almost done. Dogs do go to puppy school to learn how to sit and fetch. Dogs don't go to people school and bring an apple for their teacher and sit in a desk. What? Dogs do go for a walk to go potty outside on the street. Dogs don't go potty on the people toilet. What? Dogs do sleep in a doggy bed on the floor. Dogs don't sleep in a bed and read goodnight stories with their teddy bear. Hey, that's the book we're reading. And here's the last fun page. That's the end. This shows you all the doggies that were in the book. They're real doggies and they have real doggy names. Isn't that fun? So somebody took a picture of each of those doggies and then added all these silly things to them. Dogs don't do that. Can you tell me something else that dogs don't do? Maybe something that people do and dogs don't do? All right, friends, that's the end. Thanks for joining me for another story. See you next time. Bye.